Hey guys, we're at Hampden Park level crossing East Sussex with Michael and Harvey today. I filmed it a bit late, my camera decided to pack up.
That's 171.
It's a train coming.
That's 171.
This video might be a bit short because I didn't film the lights by accident.
So this must be Brighton then.
My cousin said it's a 171.
171.
So let's see if we can get home.
That's 176. I'm ready to look at it. So 176.
And the gates are.
Brighton.
And the gates are going.
We're staying.
And they're staying.
We're staying for the next one. Which might be our 1-22 Southern Service.
This will be my longest video yet.
Oh.
Harvey, this will be my longest video yet because I've never had two. Never stayed down.
No, this is your first of all pass, isn't it?
Yeah. Can you see all the cars?
It's malfunction. Malfunction is where the gates go down and then
They don't go back up.
yeah. Or they go back out without a train coming past.
No, lovely.
No train coming from that way, which I won't
Right.
do. That was stupid.
Fine, don't give up, guys.
Could be our 123, but it could have gone up. It could be our 1-22.
Okay.
Well, they go past the 176. Nothing. Oh wait, I think that's something. Yeah, I can see something.
No, you can see, but right in the distance there's a train.
Looks like another 171.
What's your video on, Harvey? 2 minute photos. Oh, right in the distance you can see a train.
This looks like a 313. Or is it a 377? Not probably a 377. Yes, 377.
377.
Now, I need to quickly talk to you guys. I'm going to be down here at 2038 for a freight train coming past here. Now, make sure you're down here. If you live near Hampden Park or you just want to come film the train, come down at about 8:30 at night, right to Victoria.
I got that in my video as well, so that'll be a bonus for me. So you got that.
Right, come right through. We got awesome. 367 131.
377 131.
That's the same drive from the floor. 367 137
And
131 that they got.
see you next video, guys.